Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you step by step how to hide apps on Android in 2025. So whether you want more privacy or just a cleaner home screen, I will show you the official way of doing it. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open the settings of your device. Over here in your settings, you need to simply scroll down and try to find the option of apps. Now, in most of the Android devices, you are going to find the option of apps, but if in your device it is with the name of app manager or manager, you can also select that option. Now over here you need to try to find the option of hide application. If you are not able to find it over here, simply in the settings of your account, you can use the search bar here in the top and search for hide. Now once you are able to find the hide option, in some of the devices in security and privacy, you will find the option of hide apps. So tap on the option of hide apps, then enter the privacy password. Once you have done that, tap on the option of get started. Then you can access via home screen icon, or you can also access the applications via dial pad. So I want to access it via home screen. So tap on the option of customize and tap on the option of save. Now tap on the option of add apps, and here you will see the list of all of the applications that are available in your device, basically which are installed in your device. So you can tap on any of the applications which you want to hide. Let's say I want to hide the Adobe Acrobat in my phone. So you can turn the toggle button right next to it, and if it is on, it simply means that it is completely hidden on your phone. Now in order to access it back, you need to come here on this page. Then if you tap on the option of hidden, you will find all of your applications that are hidden. You can also find it with the help of the swiping your fingers on the home screen, but in most of the Android devices this particular option is different. So if you want to unhide it, you can just turn this toggle button off and the application will be unhidden from here. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.